Guys, welcome to our Heartfelt weekly analysis for this new trading week on the FS Triads. Right, before telling you the bias for the week, I want to run down a top-down analysis from the 12-month down to the weekly time frame. All right, so if you are a swing trader and you're already in, you get to hold it. All right, but don't forget, please, to subscribe to this channel, share our videos to others who might be in need of it, and drop your comment, like the video, so we keep on dropping more, for such of those hearts will encourage us to do more. All right, guys, so this is DXY time frame. I'm going to run it down to weekly. This is 12 months. We'll talk about the 6 month time frame, 3 months time frame, 1 month time frame, and one weekly time frame, so you know where we are coming from, and I'll show you the bias for this week. So please watch the video till the end. So on this 12 month time frame on DXY, what do we have here? We are having what a CRT forming. This is the total soup already on CRT forming. All right, so but our major focus is to target what 50 pips of this range. So we are trading on this range. All right, on this range on DS. Don't forget DSY is what moves what EU and GU. All right, so let's see the next time frame. For the 6 month time frame on DXY, what we have here, you can see how this other block was respected. This other block and this price, this bearish move, came down into this other block, right, or into this breaker block. All right, and the price is creating what total soup here based off of the month on the 12-month time frame, and to target 50 pips first before the high. So let's check the 3 months time. Same thing on 3 months time frame. You can see how price reacted up here, right? That feel the imbalance, and boom, price is already moving toward the upside, targeting what are 50 pips. So let's see the next time frame. Now for the monthly time frame, you can see here. Let me just take you down here. For the monthly time frame, you can see how price is moved. So we have the imbalance, creating a abnormal situation in the market. Always take note of that. You are okay. We have an imbalance here. Market push to the upside, creating more imbalance, and this imbalance needs to be filled. And you can see this bearish move came down and filled this bullish this imbalance. All right, reacting off this block. And because this one needs to be filled, what happened? You see here, there was a break here and price retested, right, creating an imbalance here, and price also filled it up. Okay, price filled it up, and the next thing price did was to do what? Was to push up to fill up the imbalance. Price filled it up and created another imbalance. Price came back to fill this imbalance, reacting off this other block here. Remember where we came from? Other block here. Writing off other block here to fill that imbalance. So what next? Price ended up creating another because this bullish imbalance also filled up, and price created another imbalance. So what next? We have seen a turtle soup, grabbing of liquidity to target to also fill at least 50% of this imbalance retracement before completion of those imbalance. So this is the monthly time frame, and you should work in line with this. So let's see the last time frame, which is weekly time frame. Yes, this is the weekly time frame. You can see here now. This is the weekly time frame. You can see the 50% here is going to be what you are having a block here, that price supply zone that price needs to respect. Okay, so but this is our current point of interest, or place of we need to really pay attention to. You can see here price is like forming a CRT to the downside, but we are going for we are going for a bullish move. So this week, the buyers on DSY want to go bullish. I'm not saying you're going to buy all through the week. We are targeting 50 pips, our heartfelt strategy. We're going to go bullish on DXY. I'm going to go bearish on Euro USD and uh, GBP So you must wait for the setup, align your strategy to it, and there are conditions to it. All right. So before then, watch this. We are seeing a CRT forming here. So on mine, I probably not expecting price to really want to hold in terms of this CRT forming. So because we have liquidity yet to be grabbed. So price might come down, take the low, right, reacting off this block and probably push to the upside. Okay, on Euro USD also, on Euro USD, what we have here, we also have the same thing here, as if there's a CRT forming here. But don't forget, we have a liquidity here, right? We have a liquidity here, so price might push to the upside, take the high, and there's also a swing high here, take the high and react and boom to the downside. Then we also have GBPUSD. On GBPUSD, what we have here, we have a double bottom here, liquidity resting on this low here. We also have this reverse swing. There's a liquidity resting below here, all right, on the swing high. So price might push to the upside a little and drop down. So what are we anticipating? We're anticipating a bearish move to go downwards on Euro USD and GBP So what do you look out for? Look out for an SMT. Once the price take away liquidity on either of them, it might be an SMT between EU or GU, and you get position within time and price. Watch out for the previous day high taking, previous week high taking, sessional high taking. Get position and take your entry targeting 50 pips. All right, so this is on our weekly bias, why our sync trade is still positioned for our 50% on the higher time frame be reached. So if you have any question, drop it, drop your comment, share this video, please subscribe and follow us. Till we meet on weekend, and I wish you good luck and good trading. Bye.